Welcome and welcome back to Luna Yogini channel. So today I'm at Akangshya's place and we have Donamos. Finally we are together and yes, together, and we are going to eat Assamese food, right?
Yes,
Right?
Assamese dish.
Yes. So what are you going to cook for us today?
We are going to cook Dalir Boror Tenga.
Boror
Tenga.
Tenga video. We'll cook and then we'll eat. Can you please explain the dish we are going to have today?
Okay, so we are going to cook an Assamese dish that is called Dalir Boror Tenga. So Dalir Boror Tenga, Dali is in dal. So the viewers can use either masoor dal or moong dal and paste it. And then the rest of the ingredients are here. Please
Okay.
focus. So this is masoor dal we are using. And this is tomato puree. This is rich gourd or jhinge in Bengali, jika in Assamese. So we are going to mix this turmeric powder little bit here and salt. The rest according to the process we'll explain.
We'll explain. Yay!
We are putting mustard oil
Okay.
to fry the bora, means pakora basically. Dal ka pakora.
Okay. So now she's mixing turmeric powder
Salt
and salt.
in the dal paste.
Yes, in the dal paste.
According to taste, you guys can put. Put the bora, basically pakora. Bora. The first round of frying is done. We are taking it out. This is the color.
Beautiful. I'm gonna have one more. Is
Yes.
that okay? Yeah. Yeah, now I'm gonna try one. Though the dish is not done, but you know, garam garam bora. Garam bora. Sounds like Bengali.
prothom bora to taste koribo.
Oh.
How is the taste? Is the salt, everything okay?
Perfect. So good. Yeah?
It's good.
Donakam. Very nice, right?
Very light.
in the mouth.
Yeah. Wow. Pure dal. This is just dal. Nothing else.
I'm enjoying a lot, okay? The
Yeah.
whole process.
Give me one more bite. 기특해가네. Cardio done before lunch. Done. Oh, so all the boras are made, right?
Yeah. Heading towards the gravy.
Okay, so you
So
added
in the
some
pan,
oil.
I added some oil, and then I'm going to use one dry chili, little bit of fenugreek.
Methi.
You have to fry it till it gets a little bit cooked.
So you are doing it in low flame,
Yeah,
right?
I'm doing everything low flame. Basically, this fenugreek, when it comes in the mouth, it tastes bitter. So some people throws it after it's fried, and some can keep also. So now we are adding the rich gourd, the jhinge or zika.
Zika.
Fry it for some time.
Okay. You'll add salt now?
Yeah, I'll add salt powder. And we're going to stir it and fry it for some time. Gourd is fried almost. Now we're adding tomato puree.
Okay. Whoa, looking so pretty.
And we'll fry it for some time like before. the color that we wanted.
Oh.
It has already come. Half an hour we boil. Yeah.
Okay.
In steam, I mean low flame.
Oh.
Now we are adding a cup of water in it. So basically Assamese dish are super light and super healthy.
And I love those kind of food. You know?
Yeah, I know. Again, we'll cover it for some time.
Okay.
Yeah, let it boil for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Looks that it's almost done. So now we are adding the bora or the pakoras. We'll just leave it.
Oh, you're just adding it like that.
And let the pakoras soak the soup slowly.
Okay. Yeah.
Curry is almost done now after we added the bora. And now we are squeezing just 1/4 of lemon. Okay. Because we love the tangy or the sour taste, we all of us. So we are adding 1/4.
That's why it's called tenga.
Yeah, so if anyone doesn't want, they can leave in this.
But I love lemon.
Yeah, so we all love lemon.
It just makes
lemon
it
smells
fresh.
So we are almost done.
I'm so hungry.
We squeeze the lemon, and now after like boiling for 2-3 seconds, we just switched it off.
Done.
Done.
So finally our lunch is served, and yeah, we cooked one Assamese dish, which is this. And can you please pronounce the name once again?
Dalir Boror Tenga.
Dalir Boror Tenga.
Yeah.
So that's there, and then these are some Bengali side dish which were already prepared, and this is my plate, the biggest one, because I'm gonna hog. And then this is Dona's plate and Akangshya's plate. Assamese thali mukbang. Not exactly, but yes, we have a proper Assamese dish over here, and I'm so excited. And are you guys also excited to eat?
Yes, I'm dying to eat.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to know how is it.
Guys, I can't wait.
Oh, you wanna eat. Okay, thank you for the food.
Thank you for the food. It's really good.
Assamese Dalir Boror Tenga.
It's really good.
So good. Oh my god.
Thank you.
I don't know.
I also like.
I
was literally scared, huh?
মানে ওটা সফট হয়ে গিয়ে আবার অন্যরকম একটা, like the taste is different now.
Yeah. Completely. Kumal.
Kumol,
soft.
Kumol. And how do you say delicious?
We generally say খুব ভালো হয়েছে.
খুব ভালো হয়েছে. খুব ভালো হয়েছে আকাঙ্ক্ষা.
Thank you.
খুব ভালো হয়েছে।
Wow. Actually, this recipe is taught by Akangshya's mother, so I would like to thank her today. How do you say thank you in Assamese?
খুব ধন্যবাদ.
খুব ধন্যবাদ. আর মাসিকে?
মাহি.
মাহি. খুব ধন্যবাদ মাহি.
Oh wow.
খুব ধন্যবাদ মাহি।
I'm so hungry. Me too.
We're hungry also.
Yeah, we're so hungry. Even the side dishes are so good.
Fenugreek taste দেখছো পাচ্ছ? একটু করে হালকা।
তো দেখাও লোকেদের, থালাটাই তো দেখতে পাচ্ছে না। এবার খাও করো। And Akangshya's forehead is only being seen.
Oh.
Actually, we're really hungry. We thought of making a proper mukbang, but I think we would like to chill and eat, right? And maybe watch a movie. So, should we end the video over here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kikachi.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Yes, we'll
Now
see
we'll
you.
enjoy. We'll devour now.
Yes, we'll see you guys in the next video because there's a very exciting content coming up. So, ta-da! With my eto hat. Eto hat ke ki bola Assamese?
Zutha.
Zutha hat.
She's picking up with the accent very good. I'm impressed.
If you like this content, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 안녕. 안녕, Korean. 안녕.